Hello guys, welcome back once again. Now we are taking towards going towards the next sum, which is sum of first 100 natural numbers. So this is very interesting sum because you can see that we already know what is 100 natural number, that is 1 2 3 blah 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 till 100. Yeah, we want to find out a sum. So we will be taking one dabba out here. So this will be a bucket. In the bucket we want to store the values like this: sum of first 100 natural numbers. How to draw a flow chart for this? So this is very interesting. So as all of you know, this is our first step. Start. We have to start the program. Once the program is started, you know, the very first thing we used to do, what we used to do, we used to take a input. But you know guys, there is no input as such. Why? Because already we know what is natural number, right? So this won't come. So we will have to have something to define the values, something to define the values. So I'm keeping a box like this. Obviously this will be closed, just I wanted to keep some values. So let's say n starts with 1. Okay, now I have to create this s for accumulating the values. So I'm creating another box which will try to accumulate all the values. So s is equal to s plus n. Here I am defining s to be 0. So s initially do not have any value as such ahead. So I want this n to run till n becomes 100. That is, natural number touches 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 100. So n is equal to say 100. If the value comes yes, I will stop the program. If it is no, that means next number should come. So here I should increase the numbers. N is equal to n plus 1. Okay, then this should go up and again repeat the entire process. I know you didn't understand. Wait for a second. Let me explain you, then you will probably understand in a well manner. See what happens in the first time. N value is 1 and s is 0. So what will happen here? The calculation will go something like this. S is equal to, already the value of s is 0, no? So it will take 0 plus, what is the value of n? 1. Perfect. So here s is equal to 1. Now this bucket s will have only 1 rupee. Now when you go down here, it will compare. Is n equal to 100? So answer is obviously no, because n is 1. So it will go here. So n value now will be redefined. N is already 1 plus 1. So it becomes 2. Again, this will go up and it will come back here. So what will happen in the next step? Tell me. This was my first step. You remember? Now what will happen in my second step? Again the s value will be redefined. Now what is the s value? Can you see the first step? S value was 1. So it will take 1. What is n now? N now. So n was 2. So it will take 2 out here. So it will come 3. Just look carefully. You will understand. It's not very rocket science I'm teaching here. It's very simple. Just you need to put attention out here. Okay, what will happen? When s is equal to 3, that means 2. N was 2. Again the program will go down and it will ask n is equal to 100. So answer is probably no. Why? Because n is 2. So again the program will go here. Now n will be redefined. So already n value is 2 plus 1. So value comes to 3. So again the program will go up and come here. So what will happen in the third step? Tell me. S value, the bucket value will change again. Now s value is already 3. So it will take 3 plus, what is the n's value now? Is 3. So it's going to be 6. This will go on repeated. See, now n value will be 3 plus 1. So here the n value is going increasing by 1 2 3 4. You can see this one. Just pay attention. So everything is here. So when you see, it was earlier it was 1, right? Then it became 2, then it became 3, then it became 4. If you here see, the earlier the value was 0, it became 1. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3. So can you see this? We are adding 1, 2, 3, and this will go on. Just try to understand. So this will go on. This process will go on till n touches the 100. Once the n becomes 100, the program will automatically get closed down and it will end up. So I want to print the value which is stored in print s, because the sum is there in this s bucket. I have to close the program and stop. You can see this now. This is a flow. Just look at it very carefully. Once in exam they had asked this for 6 marks. So this kind of question can also be asked in exam, but this was an old time when they used to ask such a simple questions. But to understand, this is very nice example. What you're supposed to just stop the video, and what you go back again and you try to make it by yourself. The more you make it, the more you will understand. It's a simple fundamental. There is nothing great science I'm teaching out here. So this one is nice sum to print sum of first 100 natural numbers. Okay, chalo.